Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is a plan with me in my Hobonichi Weeks, and we will be planning for the week of October 12th to the 18th. And today's theme is spring. I'm going to be using this book that I'm showing you right now. This is a very old Happy Planner sticker book. This is probably the first squad goals sticker book, and there had been a lot of other versions of this across the years, but I highly recommend it. And I'm also using some stickers or washi stickers from AliExpress. So first I'm going to place my bottom bar deco. And this bottom bar deco will have a tree and this girl on a bike. But before that, I'd like to put down some decorative washi. And the washi that I picked, or washi sticker that I picked, is actually a little bit preppy, a little bit neutral. And I thought that the combination of a little bit of gray and dark green would go well with some of the pastels that I will be using for this spread. So I'm just layering a few of the stickers so that it looks pretty and interesting. And now the bottom bar is done. Now I'm moving on to the top right corner where I'll be putting another set of decos. So here I just snipped off a few or a bit of the bigger washi sticker from AliExpress. If you haven't ordered from AliExpress before, it is an app that you can download. There's also a website. It started out as a website, but now I just shop on the app. And they have sellers from China, I believe, that sell a lot of stationery goodies as well as other types of goodies, all sorts. It's like Amazon, but it's China. And the products there are very affordable. And I really like to get my planner supplies from there. So here I'm layering a different type of deco, and it is actually very different from the one at the bottom bar. It's going to be more highly decorated. As for the left side of the page, I'm going to mirror what is happening on the right side here at the top for Monday. Now this little washi is actually very big, so that's why I'm just snipping off bits from it. And then for the 13th to the 14th, I'm not doing much. I'm just going to be at home stuck because there's a very big, well, not really big deadline, but a little deadline on the middle of the week, which is a little bit strange for me because usually most deadlines happen at the end of the week, but this one is quite different. And then I'm layering some more. I even cut up that circle washi sticker to put in different spaces. So here I'm building the bottom bar of the left side of the page for the weekend, and I'm going to put another deco there, and I'm going to pick this girl who is sitting down, and she will be on top of different washi stickers just to make it a little bit interesting. So I'm not going to do a lot of decoration on the rest of the pages because I just want it to be a little bit more concentrated. So just 4 of the girls from that sticker book, and here I'm just going to go ahead and complete this little deco that's going on the right corner or right page corner. And I'm adding a few flowers and a few greenery on my page because I feel like that makes this a little bit more spring, because that is our theme today. And I also pulled this banner from the sheet that says Happy Spring to mark that spring is here. Actually, spring is about to end. We are about to go into our summer because we are in Australia and we are different from everybody else. So now I'm gonna go ahead and write information on this page. I showed you this the last time and I thought that I'd do it again. I'm sorry for the shaky cam, however. Now I have a symposium abstract due on the Wednesday, and I plan to do it actually on Wednesday. I'm not going to do it before that for several reasons, some academic, some just personal. And here I'm just also writing down that we do have a house guest coming on Wednesday. And I think he actually moved that to Thursday now. And some appointments and some notes on these events. So the left side of the page is where all events go, and the right side of the page is going to be all tasks. And that is our page complete. I'm going to populate this later in the week, and if you'd like to see the full page all done with all the writing, make sure that you are following me on Instagram. It is paperjoyph. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want some more planning videos, please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video.